button.
Hi, hello viewers. Welcome to Blending Explorer International YouTube channel. So, I hope everyone will have a nice day. And now, in today's tutorial or today's video, we're going to look about introduction to the Rosebot. Maybe some of you already know about this, but maybe some of you didn't know about this. So what is that Rosebot, and how and what we can do? What are the actions that we should do to work with it? So we will see about this in this video. So before start this video, if you are new viewers of this video or of this channel, this is a blind tech explorer channel which provide technological informations for visually impaired and blind people. So if you need this channel, don't forget to subscribe this channel and click on the bell notification. Then only you will get our video without any disturbance and without any embarrassing. So you will get our video easily. And one more thing is, we will upload our video on every Saturday. On every Saturday we will upload our latest video. So don't forget to check it out. So without any delay, let's start the video. Before that, don't forget to like and share and give your comment to this video. So come on, let's start it. Now I will open the Telegram.
Plus has 58 notifications. Plus.
Okay, I'm using Plus Messenger, so it doesn't matter because it's a Telegram client. You can use any client of Telegram, or you also can use Telegram as well. All the application is at the Play Store. You can find out Telegram and some Telegram clients also available at the Play Store, such as Plus Messenger. So after you go to the Telegram, after you open your Telegram or any other clients, for new users of Telegram, if you open your Telegram, if you swipe to your right, you will find open navigation menu, which is here.
Users, open navigation menu button.
Okay, open navigation menu, and you should go to the search box or search button. You should click there and you should type a Rosebot there. Okay.
Search button. Showing English US QWERTY keyboard.
Okay, come on, let's type a Rosebot.
Go back button. Disable R O S E Ross B. Deleted. R deleted. R O S E Rose N B L T L L O T.
Okay, now let's click on search.
Access. Go to previous screen. Plus. Go to previous screen. Back button. Plus. Where it has blue heart sparkles. On.
Okay, sorry for that.
Back button. Enable. Over. Click home. Go back button. Rosebot text box. Showing English. Search. English US QWERTY keyboard hidden.
Okay, after you click on the search bar, swipe to your right, you will find a lot of what here, but don't be confused. Let's click on the first bot, which name is Rosebot.
Clear. Chat. Media. Download. Links. Files. Music. Voice. 0-3 button. No results. Try a new search.
If it's show like this, maybe you have made some mistakes. So
go back. Rosebot text box. Showing English US T O B space E S O R R O S E B O T Showing English. Go back button. Search downloads. Media selected. Chat. Search text box. Go back button. Search text box. Go back button. Disable R. L. L deleted. O. S. E. Rose. B. O. T. Search. English. The name. Row. Chats.
Okay, now let's swipe to your right.
Media. Link. Files. Music. Voice. Rose. Bot.
Okay, here you go, the rose bot. You should double tap here. After that,
Record voice message. Attach media button.
excuse me.
Clear hist. Delete. Hist. Rose.
Okay, after you click on the rose bot, you will directly will bring to the rose bot personal chat, and the interface will be look like this. And if you swipe,
0. Undo. Start. What more options, but what can this bot do? Hey, I'm Rose, a group management bot here to help you manage your groups as effectively as possible. Press start, and Miss Rose _ bot has access to messages unavailable.
okay, it will show like this, which means this is a robot for those who are new to the bots or to the Telegram. This is the one of the Telegram specialty which we can create our bot. Bot means it's called robot, so we call short with the short name or with the sweet name. Okay, we call it as bot. So with this bot you can manage a group. You also can create your own bot as well, and we will look it out in upcoming tutorials. Now we should click on the start button as the instruction given above. So let's go.
Start.
Alright, after you click on the start button, you will receive a message. Now let's read on that.
Attach. Hey there, my name is Rose. I'm here to help you manage your groups. Hit /help to find out more about how to use me to my full potential. Join my news channel to get information on all the latest updates. Use the /privacy command to view the privacy policy and interact with your data. Received at 11:39 p.m.
Alright, these are the another instruction about that. So if we want to explore or we want to know what are the features that have provided here, you should type /help command and send it here. Then all the features of the Rosebot will be appear. So here is the important notes. Okay, before that, and other is you also can join the Rosebot's channel to get the latest update news about this bot. Okay, next is you can use /privacy, if I'm not mistaken, to view the policy and privacy notice of this Rosebot, to read on the privacy policy. So now the important notes here is, if you want to use any comments, you can't use the comments with the space bar. For example, if you want to write the comment call /help, let's say, so you can't write, or you can write like this /HELP. You can't do that. If you do that, if you give the help command like that and send it, it's not will work, and it's also not will accept spelling mistakes. So make sure you be careful on this. But after you done this, will happen any risk, or if I do like this, I will facing any problem? No, you're not facing any problem. But to avoid you do the work twice, so make sure you check first after you type. and after you type, before you send the command. So how I can type the command? You should type slash without space, okay, slash HELP and send the command, and it will work perfectly, and you will be able to read all the features which have provided on this bot. Okay, we also have another bot for manage this group, but this is the most popular bot used by all the group administrators, or we also can known as admins. So without talking too much, let me send the command slash help. So
Message showing English. Attach media button. Disable browse by touch. Showing symbol slash. Showing English HELP. Enable browse by touch. Back button. English US QWERTY keyboard hidden.
So now I'm going to send this command.
Send.
Alright, after you send this command, the bot has sent one messages. This message contained all the features which are provided by the robot. Now let's see one by one, but about the deep explanation we will see in upcoming tutorials.
Warnings. Topics button. Warnings button. Topics button. Rules button. Reports button. Purchase button. Privacy button. Bit button. Notes button. Missed button. Log channels button. Logs button. Languages button. Import/export button. Greetings button. Formatting button. Filters button. Federations button. Disabling button. Connections button. Clean service button. Captcha button. Log lists button. Bans button. Approval button. Anti-raid button. Anti-flood button. Admin button. Help A. My name is Help A. Replied.
So these all are the features which has provided by the robot. Okay,
Back page 1 of 3.
so that's all for today's video, my dear friends and viewers. I hope you enjoy this. You had enjoyed this video, and I also hope this video will be helpful for everyone. And I also hope this video is going much interesting. I has tried my level best to bring this video
Plus, has 62 notifications. Back button.
interesting as much as possible I can. And now, before end the tutorial, I have some important messages here. Thanks for all the subscribers who has support our channel. Now our channel has reached 87 subscribers, and it's now 87 subscribers, but I don't know the subscribers will be increased or not when during the when I was upload this video, because I'm not will I have a tutorial schedule and I will follow according that, so I'm not sure when I will upload this video. Okay, but don't worry, it will become soon. Okay, then thanks for all the subscribers and all the viewers. Thanks for support our channel. I have started this channel around 4 months ago, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, anyway, if you need any applications or extra informations, or you want to learn anything else, you can reach out us through our Telegram channel. The link will be provided at the description, and you also can get applications for mobile and for Windows there. If you have any question, you also can reach out us through the group, through the channel, and click on the discussion, then you can join the group as well. And if you want to watch a previous tutorials, the link also will be provided at the description box. So hope this tutorial will be helpful. If you like this video, don't forget to share, give a like, and give your comments, and share this video to your friends, to your family members, or to anyone who's needed. So see you soon in next tutorial. Bye bye.
Screen locked.